As Meghalaya is reeling under floods and landslides caused by incessant rain impacting many people all across the state, All India Trinamool Congress MLA Dikkanchi D Shira visited the flood-affected areas of Lukaichar and Kalaichar in the Mahendraganj constituency of South West Garo Hills. All India Trinamool Congress MLA Dikkanchi D Shira visited the flood-affected areas of her constituency where she took stock of the ground situation and spoke to the flood-affected people with the direction of adequate government help. Dikkanchi D Shira maintained that TMC Meghalaya would stand with the distressed people amidst natural disasters and would go on to provide every help possible for relief. She said, TMC Meghalaya is assessing the situation of all the flood-related constituencies of the state, and the party workers and members are reaching out to provide help and relief to the affected people. At the time when at least 5 lakh people in the state are affected due to floods and landslides, TMC Meghalaya, the prime opposition, is stepping up for the people in need across the state and believes that every Meghalayan should come together and provide assistance at this time of mishaps and calamities.